What if I told you that you're already practicing Stoicism without even realizing it? The ancient Stoics weren't distant philosophers with impossible standards. They were practical people who understood that true strength comes from our daily habits. I'm Rashid, and today I'm going to show you 12 simple Stoic practices that are probably already part of your daily routine. By becoming more intentional about these moments, you can transform ordinary days into extraordinary growth. Let's dive in. The first Stoic practice is something many of us do without thinking about it. That quiet moment in the morning when we plan our day. Seneca and Marcus Aurelius both started their days with reflection. That moment when you check your calendar or think about what's ahead. That's your Stoic morning reflection. Tomorrow morning, try adding these 3 questions to your routine. What might challenge me today? What virtues will I need? What am I grateful for right now? Notice how you eventually accept things you can't change, like traffic or weather. That's the Stoic principle of amor fati, loving your fate. The next time something delays you, try this mental shift. This is happening. I can't control it. How can I best respond? Create a control inventory by mentally sorting daily frustrations into 2 categories: things you can control and things you can't. That cold splash of water in the morning? The Stoics called it voluntary discomfort, intentionally facing small hardships to build resilience. By embracing small discomforts daily, you're training your mind to stay calm during greater challenges. Start with 10 seconds of cold water at the end of your shower, gradually increasing to 30 seconds, then a minute. That difficult coworker or challenging family member, they're your Stoic teacher. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily that difficult people would cross his path. Rather than being surprised, he prepared his mind. Before your next challenging interaction, remind yourself, this person is acting from their own perspective and struggles. How can I maintain my principles regardless of their behavior? Your commute home isn't just travel time, it's a Stoic transition ritual. Epictetus taught that we should have clear boundaries between different parts of our lives. Use your commute as a mental reset button. Try this. At a specific landmark on your journey home, consciously leave work behind and prepare to be fully present at home. Those brief moments when you appreciate something small, the taste of coffee, a kind text, a beautiful sky, that's Stoic gratitude. The Stoics practiced negative visualization, imagining losing what they valued to enhance appreciation. Choose 3 everyday comforts: running water, your bed, internet, and spend 30 seconds imagining life without each one. Your workout isn't just for your body, it's Stoic training for your mind. Stoics viewed the body as an instrument of the mind that needed proper maintenance. During your next workout, focus on the mental qualities you're building: discipline, perseverance, focus. Notice how overcoming physical challenges strengthens your mental resolve. Those moments when you choose to listen rather than speak, that's Stoic wisdom. Zeno, the founder of Stoicism, noted that nature gave us 2 ears but only 1 tongue for a reason. In your next conversation, challenge yourself to ask 2 questions before sharing your own opinion. Your evening wind-down is the perfect time for Stoic self-examination. Seneca advised reviewing your day each evening, noting both successes and areas for improvement. Before bed, ask yourself 3 questions. What did I do well today? What could I have done better? What will I improve tomorrow? When you anticipate problems in your plans, you're practicing what Stoics called premeditatio malorum, premeditation of evils. This isn't pessimism. It's practical preparation that reduces anxiety and improves outcomes. For your next important plan, take 5 minutes to ask, what could go wrong here? Then create a simple backup plan for each potential obstacle. When you find meaning in difficulties, you're practicing the ultimate Stoic skill, turning obstacles into opportunities. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself that challenges aren't just in our path, they are the path. Think of a current challenge you're facing. Ask yourself, how might this difficulty be making me stronger, wiser, or more resilient? These 12 simple practices show that Stoicism isn't some lofty philosophy. It's practical wisdom for everyday life. You're already doing many of these things. The power comes from doing them with intention. Which of these Stoic practices resonated with you? Let me know in the comments and share how you'll make it more intentional tomorrow. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more practical philosophy videos. Until next time, remember what Epictetus said. It's not what happens to you, but how you respond that matters.